In this video, I'll show you how to join the official Roblox server on Discord. First, open the Discord app. This works on both desktop and mobile. On the bottom left, click Discover, then go to the search bar in the top right. Type Roblox and press Enter. From the results, select the official server. You'll recognize it by its large member count. Click on it, then hit Join Roblox at the top. Accept the rules by clicking I understand, then continue through the setup by clicking Next. You'll be asked what device you use to play Roblox. Just pick any option and move on. You can skip the optional steps, click Got it, and continue until you reach the end. Then click Finish. You're now in the server. If you want to send messages, you'll need to verify your account. Just click the verification link in the server, follow the instructions on the web page, and confirm that you're over 13. That's it. Quick and easy. If this helped, drop a comment below.